Now we are passing on to Algebra practice set 1.3. It is based on Cramer's rule. Or this is also known as determinant method. So this is two equations are given. Ax plus by equal to c1. Meaning a1x plus b1y equal to c1. Second equation is a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Here coefficients of x are a1 and a2. Coefficients of y is b1 and b2. These are right hand side constants. Here this is d. D for determinant. Determinant means can be determined, means we can find out. Like this. It's an absolute value. Absolute value means modulus value. Exact size. It is a1, a2, b1, b2. This is d. Now dx is in the place of x coefficients. We have to keep the right hand side constants. C1, C2. In the place of x coefficients, we are keeping the right hand side constants. C1, C2. Y coefficients as it is. B1, B2. dy is equal to x coefficients as it is. We have to keep a1, a2. Here it is b1. Y coefficients are replaced with right hand side constants c1 and c2. Now what these are actually called as, that we explain here, so determinants. See, suppose we have a determinant AB. Suppose it is CD. The horizontal arrangements like this, this is called as row. Row 1, this is second row. Vertically downward direction, like this is, that is a column. Horizontally row, vertically downward columns. First row A, B. Second row C, D. First column AC. Second column BD. Now this we have to, then this is a determinant denoted with capital letter A. Elements are, these are elements A, B, second row C, D. How we expand this means like this. First you have to go for like this. Second we have to go for like this. This is first, that is second. So this expansion A into D. A into D minus this B into C, like this. B into C. B into C. This is how we have to expand determinant. A determinant is expanded in this form. Diagonal elements A into D minus this diagonal elements B and C. B into C. This is an absolute value of the determinant. So here we have to expand now by using determinants method. That only Cramer's rule also. Cramer's rule comes later this week. A1, B2, A1 into B2 minus this B1 into A2, B1, A2. This dx we expand C1 into B2 minus this B1 into C2. This we expand now A1 C2, A1 into C2 minus C1 into A2. Now, actually, Cramer's rule. Therefore, by Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d. This is Cramer's rule. X is equal to dx by d, and y is equal to dy upon d. This is how we have to expand. Given two simultaneous equations, we are getting d. D means what? Column wise. We said column is vertically downward arrangements. Row wise column this way elements. Horizontally rows, vertically downward columns. So here columns are x coefficients a1, a2. The next column is b1, b2. First row is what? a1, b1 this way. Here a2, b2 for d. Now dx means in the place of x coefficients, we keep right hand side constants. In the place of a1, b1, a1, a2, c1, c2. This b1, b2 as it is, y coefficients as it is. Then expanding c1, b2, c1 into b2 minus b1 into c2. dy is x coefficients as it is, a1, a2, y coefficients. In the place of y coefficients, we have to keep c1, c2, c1, c2. Then expansion, a1, c2 minus c1, a2. Then by Cramer's rule, x is dx by d, y is dy by d. Now using this, we have to solve the equations. First, we have to expand like this, one or two examples. Then using this Cramer's rule, we have to solve some problems. We take the first. It's very easy. Expand. This is exercise. Practice set 1.3. It's algebra. The first question is first row 3, 2, second row is 4, 5. This expansion is 3 into 5. Please carefully see, it's very simple. You have to understand. 3 into 5 minus 2 into 4. Here, 3 5s are 15 minus 2 4s are 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. This determinant's value is 7. Value of the whole thing, the whole group stands for only 7. It's a number. Very simple. Now we have to start with question number 2. Question number 2, I do subquestion number 1 first. Minus 1, 7, 2, 4. This we expand horizontally. Minus 1 into 4 minus 7 into 2. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 minus 7 2s are 14. Together this is minus 4 minus 14 more means minus 18. Same sign, 4 plus 14, 18. The value of the determinant is minus 18. Now I do the third one. First row 7 by 3, 5 by 3. Second row 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. This we expand. Product of these two. 7 by 3 into 1 by 2 minus this 5 by 3 into 3 by 2. 5 by 3 into 3 by 2. Here denominators 3 2s are 6. So we don't cancel. Here we have simplification. but we don't do it. Finally, we do. Here, 3 into 2, 6. 7 into 1, 7. Minus. Here also 3 2s are 6. Common denominator we are getting. It will be easy to deal with. Now, 5 3s are 15. Now, common denominator 6. 7 minus 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. But greater number sign is minus upon this 6. So this is equal to minus. Here 2 2's cancels, So minus 4 upon 3. Value of this determinant is minus 4 by 3. Now you please try the other problem homework. Simple it is. Now we do question number 3. Solve the following simultaneous equations by Cramer's rule. Means solve by Cramer's rule. Here I do even questions. Question number 2, which is 4x plus 3y equal to minus 4 equal to 0. Second equation is 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. But we want in the form of x, y equal to constant. So this we rewrite. Rewriting it is 4x plus 3y is equal to minus 4 goes there plus 4. That is our first equation. From here 6x minus 5y comes here plus 5y. Plus 5y equal to 8. It is there only. That is 2. These two equations by Cramer's rule we have to solve. Therefore, D is equal to x coefficients one below the other. 4, 6. Y coefficients 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We expand this. We have to complete here. So we expand. This is equal to 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6. 4 5 are 20 minus 3 6 are 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. This is D. Now we want dx. In the place of x coefficients, we have to keep right hand side constants. So the 4 and this 8 first column elements. X coefficients replaced with right hand side constants. Now y coefficients 3 and 5 as it is. Its expansion 4 into 5 minus 3 into 8. 4 5s are 20 minus 3 8s are 24. Answer is 20 plus it is minus. So greater number 24 minus 24. Greater number sign minus. This is dx. Now we go for dy. Now x coefficients as it is 4, 6. First column. In the place of y coefficients, the right hand side constants. In the place of y coefficients, we have to keep this right hand side constants 4 and 8. This also we expand. 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6. 4 8s are 32 minus 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. So 8. 32 minus 24 is 8. dy also we got. Now by Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx by dy. dx is minus 4 upon d is 2. 2 cancels here, minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. We do y here. Y is equal to dy by d. Dy is 8 upon d is again 2. Cancels 4 times. Y is 4. Therefore, here we complete. Solution. X is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 4. These are the solutions. How we solved it? Given equation we write in the form of x, y equal to constant. Second equation also we write x, y equal to constant. Then we write d, the basic determinant. First row 4, 3. Second row 6, 5. Then we expand it. 4 5s are 20 minus 3 6 are 18. 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6. 20 minus 3 6 are 18, 2. Now dx. In the place of x coefficients, we replace this by 4 and 8. The other coefficients, y values are 3 and 5. Now this is 4 5s minus 3 8s. 4 5s 20 minus 3 8s are 24. 20 minus 24 minus 4. Dx is equal to minus 4. Now dy equal to x coefficient as it is 4 and 6. In the place of y coefficients, we replace that with 4 and 8. Then here 4 8s are minus 4 6 are. 4 8s 32 minus 4 6 are 24. Difference is 8. Then by Cramer's rule, x is dx by d. Dx value we have minus 4. Upon d we have 2. Minus 4 upon 2 minus 2. Also y value is equal to dy by d. Dy is 8. D is 2. 8 upon 2 4. Then we conclude this is the answer. X equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 4. This is question number 3 is second question. Now I do question number 4 and also 6. Now I copy the question, which is 6x minus 4y equal to minus 12. The other one is 8x minus 3y equal to minus 2. This is question number 4. Now we do this easily. If it's already in the form of x, y equal to constant. Here also. Therefore, d. What is d is equal to? First we arrange x coefficients vertically downwards. 6, 8. Now y coefficients. Minus 4, minus 3. Now we expand this. 6 into minus 3 minus 4 into 8. This minus, let it be here. A minus comes, you put in a bracket. Expanding. 6 3s are 18, but with minus sign. Okay, minus into minus, plus. Double minus, multiplication. Minus into minus, plus. 4 8s are 32. Now, 32 minus 18. What we do here? We make this as 20. Add 2. The same to add here also. Minus 20 plus 34 then. 34 minus 20, 14 plus quantity plus we write here. Therefore, d equal to 14. Now we go for dx. In the place of x coefficients, we replace with the right hand side constants. Minus 12, second row, minus 2. Y coefficients are minus 4 and minus 3. We expand this. Minus 12 into minus 3 minus the other diagonal elements. Minus 4 into this minus 2. Minus into minus plus. 12 3s are 36. Here minus into minus plus. Plus into this minus minus. 4 2s are 8. 36 minus 8. Add 2 here. 10. Same 2 here. 38. 38 minus 10. 28. Greater number sign. This is dx. Now we want dy. X coefficients as it is 6 and 8. Y coefficients replaced with right hand side constants minus 12 minus 2. We expand this. 6 into minus 2 minus 12 minus into this minus plus 12 8s are 96. Product of this minus 12 minus product of this minus 12 into 8, 12 8s are 96. Now this is minus 12 minus into minus plus 96. 2 you reduce here now 10. 2 you reduce from here also 84. Sorry 96 because 94. 2 reduced. Then you reduce 10. So here it is 94 minus 10. That is 84. Means 6 minus 2 4, 9 minus 1 8. That's it. Greater numbers and plus we need not write it. dy. Now we want by Cramer's rule that I do here. Therefore, by Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx by d. Dx we have here 28. Upon d we have 14. We know very clearly 2 14s are 28. X is equal to 2. And y is equal to dy by d. dy we have 84 upon d we have 14. Now here we have to simplify. We use simple numbers. Here by 2 we cancel first. 7 2s. Here 4 2s. Here 2 2s. Now it is very simple. 7. 1 7. 6 7s. Y equal to 6. 1 7. Here 6 7s. Okay. Therefore solution. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. This is how we are solving that equation. That is given equation question number 4. Put this in a box. Now we go for the next question, the last question, question number 6. The sixth question is 2x plus 3y equal to 2. First equation. Second is x minus y by 2 equal to half. X minus y by 2 equal to half. That is second equation. Therefore, D. Actually, here we can avoid the denominator by multiplying by 2. We do that way. 2 into x, 2x, 2 into x, 2 into upon 2 cancels y, into 2 upon 2 cancels 1. This is our first equation and this is second equation. Therefore, D equal to x coefficients of this 2 and 2, 2, 2. Y coefficient 3 and here it is minus 1, minus 1. We expand this 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Now you know to multiply 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 into 2, 6. It is equal to minus 8. D is minus 8. We complete here the problem. Now dx. In the place of x coefficients, we have to keep right hand side constants 2 and 1. 2, 1. Y coefficients as it is 3 and minus 1. 3 minus 1. This we expand now. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 3 into 1 3. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. It is not multiplication, it is just addition. Minus 2 minus 3 more minus 5. Now dy. X coefficients as it is. X coefficients I got 2 and 2. Even you wrote, this only. In the place of y coefficients, right hand side constants 2 and 1. 2 and 1. 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 2s are 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. This is dy. Therefore, by Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d. How much is dx? We have minus 5 upon d is minus 8. Minus minus cancels. It is 5 by 8. Therefore, x is equal to 5 by 8. It's a fraction. It is a proper fraction. Denominator greater. Y is equal to dy by d. Dy we have minus 2. D we have here minus 8. It is minus minus cancels. 1 to 4 twos. 1 by 4. Therefore, y is equal to 1 by 4. Then we conclude. Therefore, solution x is 5 by 8 and y is 1 by 4. This also we put in a box. This is the third exercise of this chapter. By using Cramer's rule, we are solving simultaneous equations. Here we learned two things. One is a determinant, how to expand. The second part is what? How to use it to solve the simultaneous equations in two variables by using Cramer's rule. Please do practice, all of you. You can easily get it. Today we'll stop. Okay.